Everyone, big round of applause to vehicle number 35. Winners of the 5th place. Right, the 4th place, ladies and gentlemen, would like to call upon Mr. Suranjan Ranasinghe, Vice President of the OBA. Mr. Damien, Managing Director of Vijaya Print, and Mr. Teddy Mutalif, Committee Member of OBA, to present the prizes for the 4th place. And all the other winners, all the winners here, ladies and gentlemen, they are getting අපි දැක්ක සමහර කට්ටියගේ alignment ගිහිල්ලා තිබුණා. In the free wheel alignment service and discount vouchers by Rimaka Nigambo and ගොඩක් කට්ටිය හොදලා හිටියේ නෑ. In the free car wash by Loves and gift vouchers from Worth and laptop bags sponsored by Castrol Engine Oil. Right, ladies and gentlemen, the prize for the 4th place, and it includes overnight stay for 2 at Jetwin Lighthouse Gaul and overnight stay for 2 at Aditya Boutique Hotel Resort, sponsored by Mr. Eshan Pathurana, the residence manager of Lighthouse Hotel Gaul. Right, ladies and gentlemen, the 4th place of the Morris Motor Rally 2013 goes to vehicle number 15, vehicle number 15. Vehicle number 15, driven by Mr. Krishan Fernando and navigated by Mr. Shanaka Fernando. 2 Fernandos coming together to win the 4th place of the Morris Motor Rally 2013. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2nd runner-up of the Morris Motor Rally 2013, and it goes to vehicle number 40. 40. It was driven by Mr. Nilendra Anandappa and navigated by Mr. Suranga Rosa. Nilendra Anandappa and Suranga Rosa. Vehicle number 40, the 2nd runner-up of the Morris Motor Rally 2013. 2 smartphones and all the other gifts from the Morris Motor Rally. Everyone, big round of applause to vehicle number 40. And we're going to move on to the first runner-up of the Morris Motor Rally 2013. To do the honors, would like to call upon Mr. Dunstan Goluheva, Managing Director of Gallison Holdings, Mr. Rajiv Fernando, Managing Director of Vibromix Lanka Private Limited, Mr. Dhammika Hettiarachi, Managing Director of Petco Lanka, Mr. Modestus Pereira, General Secretary of the OBA, Mr. Dhammika Fernando, Honorary Treasurer of the OBA, and Mr. Disney Fernando himself, the committee member of MMR 2013. The first runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, apart from all the other prizes, will run away with 2 return air tickets to the lovely destination, India. Mr. Dunstan Goluheva, Mr. Rajiv Fernando, Mr. Dhammika Hettiarachi, Mr. Modestus Pereira, Mr. Dhammika Fernando, and Mr. Disney is here, Disney Fernando. Ladies and gentlemen, the first runner-up of the Morris Motor Rally 2013, and all these prizes and the award go to vehicle number 31. Vehicle number 3131. It was driven by Mr. Jahan Mutalif, navigated by Mr. Shamindra Jaikodi. Come on, everyone, big round of applause to vehicle number 31. The first runner-up of the Morris Motor Rally 2013. 2 return air tickets to India. To do the honors, would like to call upon Reverend Brother Sunanda Alves, Principal of Morris Stella College, Negombo, Mr. Ajit Veerasinghe, President of the OBA of the Morris Stella College, Reverend Brother Provincial Mr. Shandalinage, Reverend Brother Provincial Shandalinage as well. Would like to call upon you as well. Mr. Hiranta Fernando, immediate past President of the OBA. Mr. Devraj, Director, Melva. Mr. Eranga Lanka Tilaka, the Chief Manager, Consumer Finance. Mr. Dinesh Fernando, Regional Manager, Northwest of Ceylon Bank, PLC. Mr. Ranjit Fernando, Chief Marshal of the Morris Motor Rally 2013. Mr. Primal Vitana, Committee Member of the Morris Motor Rally 2013. And Mr. Mahesh Fernando, Managing Director of Mahesh International. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the Morris Motor Rally 2013 will run away with 2 return air tickets to the lovely, super duper destination, Singapore. The winner of the Morris Motor Rally 2013, and the award goes to vehicle number 1 and 8. Vehicle number 18. Vehicle number 18. Vehicle number 18, which was driven by Mr. Milan Varnakula Surya and navigated by Mr. Dilshan Pereira. Well done, Dilshan and Milan, the winners of the Morris Motor Rally 2013. The winners running away with the 2 return air tickets to Singapore and all the other prizes. The project chairman of the Morris Motor Rally 2013, Mr. Dinuka Jayabardhana. Come on, everyone, big round of applause to Mr. Dinuka Jayabardhana as well, who was very much instrumental in making this event a big success and a reality. Thank you very much, Mr. Dinuka Jayabardhana, the project chairman of the Morris Motor Rally 2013. And at the same time, a big thank you once again to all our sponsors, CIC Feeds, Melva, Jetfin Blue of Jetfin Hotels, Ceylon Bank PLC, Mahesh International, Petco Lanka, Auto E-Zone, Gallison Motors, Vipromix, Janashakti Insurance PLC, Truck Motors, Dialog Asiata PLC, Dominant Motors, Castrol Engine Oil, Heringo Marketing, Avendra Group, Rodeo Pub, MBSL, Seven Hills, Safeway Internationals, Kings Iron, Remarka Tires, Worth, ABC Networks, Vijay Print, The Grand, Sun Power Systems, RM Pereira Private Limited, Tech Pacific Lanka, and Minal Color Labs.
Reverend Brothers, President of Reverend Brothers, President of the OBA, the management committee of the OBA, all Maharashtonians, invitees, sponsors, those of you who have participated in the rally, and all of you, my dear friends, who are here today. I am pleased to announce the completion of the very successful event in our OBA calendar, the Morris Motor Rally 2030. This is the fifth consecutive Morris Motor Rally organized by the OBA and is regarded as one of the best motor rallies organized by any school in Sri Lanka. The level of the perfection struck achieved by our organizers have been commendable over the years, and the standards of the rally have been improvement year on year. This year too, we have attempted to bring some newness to the after party, having organized the beach event filled with fun and frolic for all of you to enjoy. Pulling together this event could not be done overnight. It required a lot of coordination, dedication and commitment from many parties, and it is my responsibility as the project chairman to thank those people who put their effort towards making this event happen. First of all, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our platinum sponsor, CIC Feeds, our gold sponsors, Ceylon Bank and Melva, and all other sponsors in the silver category. Without you, this event would not have been a reality. I wish to thank three special people for completion of the audios activities, the route plotting process which was carried out by Mr. Ranjit Fernando, Mr. Ajit Veerasinghe and Mr. Denzel Pereira, which required a detailed planning. I will fail in my duties if I do not mention our OBA President Ajit Veerasinghe for bringing the main sponsor feeds as well as for the constant backing and guidance all the way. I would like to appreciate my fellow OBA committee members for all their efforts and time spent in putting together this event, and also for having faith in me by appointing me as the chairman of this project. There are 4 committee members who worked night and day and took the brunt of organizing the event together with me. They are my friends, Primal Vidhana, for being with me right throughout organizing the event, show and beach event. Disney Fernando for organizing the evening show and the beach event. Sudatlo for acting as the coordinator with the sponsors. Mahesh Fernando for finding sponsorships and for contributing his ideas to make the event successful. My heartfelt gratitude goes to Reverend Brother Sunanda Alvis for granting permission to utilize college premises today in the morning. I also wish to thank Ruin Inesh for the support given, Mr. Anton Gunawardana for the support given, Mr. Dylan Fernando for the support given, all rail drivers and co-drivers who participate in the rally. Our electronic media partner, the staff of Jet, with special mention is in Mr. Ravi and Mr. Charit. Sri Lanka Police SS SSP Mr. Enege and the team for providing us the necessary security. Our music providers today, Black, lead by Ranil. Entertainment providers, Elephant Food, lead by Mr. Lal. Lights by Mr. Mahesh. Last but not least, I would like to thank all others who supported in many ways and worked behind the curtain with all my heart. Without of you, this would not have been possible. I wish you all the pleasant evening, have fun and enjoy. Thank you.